First thing
on
is
the
that
same.
The internal reservation in 2003 election, the manifesto, President Dr. Parameshwar, the ACC President who came and inaugurated the manifesto, that is the 5 guarantees and the internal reservation is the topmost important. I think Honorable Chief Minister and D.K. Shivkumar, all cabinet ministers unanimously decided the internal reservation. We share 101 people equally. That's why I came to thanks to the ACC President, General Secretary Venugopalji and also Surjewala. This is most important. It is a long pending of 35 to 40 years program. I think it is unanimously decided. We have peacefully, acceptably, with consensus, we have shared all these things, 5.25, 5.25 and 4.5, A and B and C. That's why that I have to give thanks because the Honorable ACC President came and he has inaugurated the manifesto.
Sir, even
Thereafter, the issue relating to the Chief Minister issue, immediately after the results and everything, by end of the May, all things will be sorted out. I think we are running very well. The government is doing very good work and we have given 5 guarantees. Everything is going well. Only the issue whether they have decided or not, we don't know. 2.5 years after 2.5 years, will it change or not, we don't know. But Siddaramaiah is doing very good work. There is no problem. But whatever the understandings and meetings or commitment, we don't know. That has to be decided by the High Command. Hopefully, I also requested to settle this matter as early as possible. By end of this month, this is going to be settled.